Welcome back to the Stock Market Scalper channel. I'm your host, Scalper779. In this video, we're going to be focusing on call options and put options for the spiders. And if you don't believe me, look at that spider on my screen. Over here is today's action, Thursday, January 25th, 2024. It's a 15-minute candle chart. It's the one I like looking at. And on this green chart, we got our, where is it? Right here. That P is the put, 487. 15-minute chart. So let's get right into it. Where does the move begin? 11:45. Right? The move downwards starts at 11:45 because if you look at the put option here, this is where the put starts moving up. 11:45. So the low of that candle is $35. Now I know it says up here, you have to look in this, the L, that's the low. It says 0.35. That's not 35 cents. That's 35 cents times 100, which is $35. Okay. So that actually represents $35. So if you bought one contract, I'd say anywhere between $35 and $40, even $45, you're a champ. And up, and the market goes down until 2 o'clock. And at 2 o'clock, this 487 put option at a high worth of $171. So, you could have turned, let's say $35 or $40 into $170. Now, of course, you're not going to get the exact top. Man, if you can get the exact bottom and the exact top, I want to follow your channel. I want to listen to you. So you could, if you had enough money, buy 10 contracts at $40 each. That's $400. Okay. And then you don't want to get greedy. One thing I've learned, so I'll say a little bit about this in this video. One thing I've learned about certain options, it's not all options. It's the one in the sweet spot. I don't know if there's a technical term for it, but you pick the low. And usually, and this will come up once you start watching all my option videos. So the low here is $35. Usually the move will go up $100 in value for one contract, and it'll move to $135 or $137 or $140. In this case, it went a little bit more. That's just a normal move. Sometimes there's it goes way, way, way more, but it depends on the price, the strike price, and a bunch of other things. But this is a normal option right here, low of 35. Let's say, okay, I want to get $100 out of it, right? I want to turn my principal of $35 or $40 into $140. All right. So you just wait at this candle. What's this? $142 right here. Right here. You could have gotten out, and you can usually do that on a normal call or put option. That move that has, how many dollars did it move? Okay, we got 88, 87. So that's $1, 86, $2.50 basically, and you got a multiple of 100 here, $100 profit off of $40 purchase. Get out at 140. That's to here. Oh, which reminds me. Anyway, I could keep going on and on about that. I think you get I think you get the idea. So look at this. You can actually do some technical analysis on these charts as well. Look at that. It's kind of freaky. I love that kind of stuff. What else? Let's remove that. How about here? Kinda like that's not bad, That's not bad as a guidance. Oh, I think I saw this one too. Look, we do it here. Make your own channel. This one's probably a bit better. Duplicate. Let's copy that. And you put it at the top here. Boom. There's your exit. You can actually short these put options. There's a term, I'm not going to get into this video because I want to go and check another put option here, the 486. Let's see how that looks. Let's take it back from here. I don't want this video to be too long. What's the low here? 18 bucks. 18 bucks, and it went to a high of 96. So it almost went up $100. Not quite. Okay, but where did this price go? Right in this resistance area right here. Let's see, let's draw it. I like drawing these lines. I find it very fascinating. Let's try this. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Activate that. Not really, but you know, you can play around. Like if I go here, whoops, there, yeah, and then that will look, and then that's perfect, right? It's kind of ridiculous if you think about it, but I'm just showing you guys what I do to fool around and how to learn. And look, you go to the open there or there, anyway, and I bet we do this. Yeah, again, same thing. Okay. Anyway, that's the 486 put. Good action on that. Good way to make money. Again, you buy it here. What, 18 bucks, right? You buy one, 18 bucks, sell it 70 bucks, 80 bucks, whatever. You don't want to get too greedy, because if you hold on to these too long, it goes down to zero. So let's look at the calls, okay, from 2 o'clock. So I want to take a look at the 486 call first. Ooh, look at the movement on that. So where's 2 o'clock? Right here. Oh, it's 3. Actually, right there. So look, it's very interesting, eh? Here's 2 o'clock, and then moves up. But look how the option reacts. It doesn't really move until 2:45, almost an hour later. So that's another thing to keep in mind, guys. But what's the low here? 37 bucks, 40 bucks, okay? But where did it go? The high, what's the high? 202. So 40 bucks, 50 bucks, all the way to 200 bucks. That's amazing. Anyway, you guys can look at that. I want to just show a couple more. 87. Yeah, I don't want to keep rambling about this stuff. And again, you can check out, do some technical analysis, see if it works for you or not. Figure it out on your own, because I don't want these videos taking forever. What do we got here? So what's that? Again, 2:45, not 2 o'clock. The move here on the spiders started at 2 o'clock, but look at this, eh? Where's 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock is right here. And actually went down in volume because price wasn't moving close enough to 487. Here's 487 until, like, it still stayed until 3:30. Right at 3:30, the low was 14 bucks. Over here, $9. Just bouncing around in this range here. And then finally, I mean, this went from what, 14 all the way to 58, and then came all the way down under 30 bucks. I mean, just compare it yourself. Go and compare it yourself after the video. But look at that. Just the last 30 minutes, you can make a boatload of money. If you're willing to risk, $20, $30. Sometimes it's worth it, man. You gotta pick your time there. All right, the last one I want to look at for this video is 448. Sorry, 488. Wow, look at this. All right, let's kind of zoom in here. So what's the low? 2. And that's at 3:30. So it goes 2 to 12. Okay. And then this last candle, 3. So you could trade on the last candle if you want. You know, is it worth it? Usually when it's on the 3 level here, you're not going to be able to get 3. More likely it's 4 or 5. Okay. And your reference point is this last candle here, over here, and here too. Yeah, it's 4. So you buy 10 for 40 bucks, right? That's 4 cents times by 100. It's $4. Buy 10 contracts. Yeah, it's kind of risky, but you're willing to risk $40, aren't you? And then look at that. It goes all the way up to 20, 22, 23. Sorry, yeah, high 23. Well, it's 200 bucks right there if you get out. Or if you use this candle as resistance, what's that? A 19. So you get at a 19. Like, that's a lot of money in less than 15 minutes. Anyway, something for you guys to think about. That's it for this video. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. I'm going to be having more videos coming out as much as I can. And thanks for your support. We'll see you in the next one.